Hi, friends. It's David from Soke Travel Adventures. So today we're on another leg of our transatlantic on the MSC Meraviglia. We're greeted at a sunrise with the Norwegian dawn. It just looks beautiful in the morning. So today we're traveling into Old Town Cadiz, across some historic sites, eventually into the coastal route back to the ship, and we'll be going through basically a fort, San Sebastian, and then back and along the parks into the ship. So here we go. So here we're going, just exiting the ship through a customs area and some various monuments. We're basically on our way down to the Cathedral area in Cadiz. Just a beautiful walk. It's a beautiful morning. It was around 18 degrees that day, May 1st. Just absolutely stunning views. The whole area kind of reminded us of Malaga when we've been there in the past. It's really, really nice. So here we go down to the cathedral area. This is just straight in off the ship, easy walking. Our total walk today is probably going to be about 8,000 steps if you're into counting steps, but these are flat steps, and really, other than the San Sebastian area, it was pretty flat and not a lot of hard cobblestone. San Sebastian, wear sturdy shoes, there's no question about it. So here we are, just some of the overlooks of the water and the harbor. It's just stunning. Cadiz is both sides of the town is on water, so it's just you don't have to walk far to get to water. It's almost like a peninsula. And again, another park that we go through. This fella's been standing here for a long time. Again, just walking through the parks. There's a biological gardens, botanical gardens, not far from here. It's just beautiful. You're walking on the tile, the pigeons, the road. Very safe town. We never felt unsafe through any of this walk at all. Again, a beautiful time of year, flowers in bloom. Really, really easy walk. A monument to Homaging Gel Constantine. Another church, cathedral directly across from that. And we're coming up to the University of Cadiz. Just a beautiful morning. And here's the Botanical Gardens, Genove Park. And we're soon coming up to San Angelo Parish Church. And soon we'll be coming to a grand Fala Theater. Of course, we couldn't miss the pizzeria. And where we're headed for now is an area called Torre Tavira, which is really a big shopping area, and it is really pleasant. If you're into the hot chocolate and pastry scene, that's the place to be. Of course, we had to go to buy a yarn shop. Here's the lineup for the churros and hot chocolate. Just a nice shopping experience. Apparently, it was a Labor Day here on May 1st in Spain, so it was quiet for it was a Friday. It was quiet for a Friday, so but yet there were some shops still open, and some were closed because it was a holiday. Now we're looping back to the waterfront area eventually, as we are. There's the beaches there, and then we're going down now to basically San Sebastian Castle. We walk out, and this is probably the hardest bit of the walk. It was low tide, and you're walking across like thick, not cobblestones, like brick stones, kind of uneven. So good footwear's a good idea here. Low tide. Here's the gates to the fort. Remind me when I used to work at Fortress Louisburg, a lot of these forts are laid out the same way from that era. There's Friedel. They're leaving the fort, and we're kind of headed back from the fort. The San Sebastian castle to the ship is probably a 20-minute walk. So just be prepared for that. We were pretty hungry by the time we got back, and I think we did probably 10,000 steps. This was a tree that had to be held up by supports across the road. Kind of interesting. And here we are just returning to the ship. You basically go in through the customs office. In Cadiz. I hope you enjoyed the walk. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe.